Saxon Phonics, Lesson 43. We're going to continue talking about our sneaky E. What sound do you hear in the medial position of these words? Medial means middle. Tid, l-in, m-il. What letter is making that sound? I. Right. These I's make the I sound. If we have a sneaky E though, it changes tid to tide. Our sneaky E makes our I say I instead of I. And sneaky E does not make a sound. Lin, add our sneaky E, we get line. Mile. Repeat these words after me. T-ide, line, m-ile. How do we code our I consonant sneaky E? I consonant E, I consonant E. How should we code that? Right, we need to cross out our E and put a macron above our I, because our sneaky silent E makes our I say I. It's long sound. Let's do the next word, line. Put a macron above our I because it says its name. Cross out our E. Mile, m-I-le. Cross out our silent E and put a macron above our I. We call this I consonant E. When we see I consonant E, we cross out our silent E and we put a macron above it. Can you guess the picture card that goes with it? This piece of money is a silver coin. It's worth 10 cents. What do you think it is? Dime. D-I-M. D-I-M. We don't hear our E, so we cross it out. We hear our I say I, and we put a macron above it. When you see this card, say dime, I. Let's talk about another combination. E consonant E. E consonant E. Say that with me. Our clues for this one is, this is made from sand and gravel mixed with cement. It is used to make sidewalks, driveways, and slabs for buildings. What do you think it is? Concrete. Concrete. We don't hear the E at the end of that word, so we cross it out. And we put a macron above our E because we hear it say E. Concrete. When you see this card, say concrete, E. The keywords dime and concrete help us remember the I and E sounds because they have those sounds. Also, they both have something special on the end. What is it? Yes, that's sneaky E. They both have a sneaky E. Our sight word is sure. Repeat that after me. Sure. Sure. Now go ahead and get out your worksheet and look at numbers 1 through 10. Number 1. A. 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 And don't forget our A consonant E. Number 2, B. 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 Number 3, K. K. C. K. And C. K. Number 4, R. 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 Number 5, D. 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 And don't forget our suffix ed sometimes sounds like D. Number 6, T. 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 And don't forget our suffix ed sometimes sounds like T. Number 7, E. 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 Number 8, E. 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 And E consonant E. Number 9, O. 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 And O consonant E. Number 10, M. 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 Number 11, seam. Seam. My drawing tool is not working, so I'm going to spell it out for you. Number 11 is seam. S-E-E-M. Number 12, what. What. W-A-T. W-A-T. W-H-A-T. What. Number 13, I. I. Right, I, and don't forget I consonant E. If you don't know how to write that down, look at the top of your paper by the picture of the dime. It shows you I-E, and we call that I consonant E. Number 14, fine. 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 F-I-N and sneaky E. Number 15, smile. 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 S-M-I-L and silent E. Number 16, these. These. Ease. T H E S, E. Look at the next section on your paper. It's the coding section, 17 through 26. Let's do 17 together. Here, ear. Let's put a macron above our E and cross out our tricky silent E. Number 18, like, L-I-K. Do you hear a long or short I? Long. Put a macron above that I. And what do we need to do to our E? L-I-K. Right, cross it out because it's silent. Go ahead and code 19 through 26, and when you're done, resume the video. Draw a line from the correct word that matches the picture of the dime. D-I'm. And the word that matches the picture, traffic. Traffic. For dime, you should have picked number 20. For traffic, you should have picked number 25. Traffic. Turn your paper over when you're finished. Number 1. It is time to go to the bake sale. Read this with me. It is time to go to the bake sale. Where are we going? If you need help answering this question, reread this sentence. Number 3. We are going to take 9 cakes. Read it with me. We are going to take 9 cakes. Number 4. We will take blank cakes to the bake sale. 3, 9, or 2. If you need help answering this question, reread number 3. Then look down at 5 through 8. Match each blend to the correct picture. Straw. Straw. Crib. Crib. Glove. Glove. Bride. Bride. When you're finished, submit the worksheet to your teacher.